This is a how-to video on how to hair chalk your hair. Hi, I'm Rebecca Rand, and I've had the most fun with my Epic Hair Chalk. My hair is very blonde. In fact, I have a little help with this color. It's pretty thick, there's a lot of it, so there's a lot to work with, which is really fun. And so for those layers of colors, I wanted to go through the layers of my hair. When you first start, you want clean hair. This Epic Hair Chalk is temporary, so it's not going to stain hair even if it's really light like mine. With my blonde hair, all I did was I took the color I wanted and I colored my hair. I like the pink hair chalk, so I did lots of colors of pink. Look how easy that goes on. Look at the pigment in that. Of course it's temporary, so I wasn't worried about putting a lot of that on my hair because it was just going to wash out when I was all done. Next I added the blue. Look at the blue against the pink. That is so pretty. And then I added yellow. Even though my hair naturally has a lot of yellow in it, it was fun to add the yellow to go against the blue. And green was pretty exciting for me, so I went kind of crazy with the green. And one of my favorite colors is purple, so I had to have a heavy dose of that purple in my hair. I skipped the gray. No grays for me today. And to give it some depth, I added some black chalk underneath those colors so to make them stand out more. And then added the rest of the colors as I saw fit to my own creative liking, because my hair was my art project that day. I love to look a little wild in my life sometimes, and this hair chalk is a fast, quick, and temporary way to do it that doesn't take much time. You never know where I want to appear with that look. Epic Hair Chalk comes with 12 colors, so you have lots of choices. It also works great on dark hair too. This is my friend, and she's got the most beautiful dark hair. It's long and it's even lighter at the tips, so when she puts the hair chalk in, it goes all the way down those strands, and it's an interesting look as it goes from the dark part of the top of her head all the way to the bottom part of her lighter ends. It's very cool. Sometimes the only accessory you need is your hair. And for these looks, Epic Hair Chalk really makes that easy. And just think, if you're going to a sporting event and you want to dress up like your team, you just pick your team's colors and put that in your hair. Wouldn't that be fun? And for whatever the color themes are for the parties you're going with, your hair color can match those themes. And what a lot of fun to go on a date and have some accent color that matches your outfit in your hair. It's a fun look to wear anywhere you go around town. Check out Epic Hair Chalk. Click the link below and get it. It's so inexpensive, and it's a whole lot of fun in a kit to dress you up for the fun places you want to go and the fun you want to have. I'm Rebecca Rand. Subscribe to my channel if you're watching this on YouTube, and ring my bell to get notified of my next video. And I'm also on all other social media platforms. I like to hang out, or you like to hang out, so let's connect.